Yeah man, greetings everyone. This is Stewie coming to you again from beautiful Montego Bay in my island home Jamaica. With daytime temperatures getting down to about 82 degrees Fahrenheit and nighttime about 77, this is truly winter time in Jamaica. We're freezing down here. I usually get to the airport at about 10 a.m. when the action starts to pick up, but today I braved the cold and made it down before 8 o'clock. I wanted to capture the first daily flight out of Montego Bay Sangsters International Airport, which is Delta Airlines, which has reopened the door from Sangster International in Jamaica to the world's busiest international airport, Hartsfield-Jackson International Airport in Atlanta, Georgia. Is it just a mere coincidence that the first flight out of Montego Bay, Jamaica takes you to the busiest international airport in the world, where you're almost certain to get a direct flight to your next destination? So we're already at the airport. Why not capture the first daily flight that arrives at Sangster International? But what is? If Delta to Atlanta was a coincidence, well, coincidence travel in pairs, because the very next airline that arrives in the island from North America comes from the same busiest international airport in the world, Hartsfield-Jackson in Atlanta. And it's not Delta this time. I'll not only tell you which airline, I'll show you. But let's welcome Jamaica's shortest international flight.
Cayman 2620, we're two outside, both on the RNP 07.
Cayman 2620, Sangster Tower, good morning. Approach runway 07, wind 09 0 degrees, 9 or not.
Approach, Cayman 2620.
Cayman 2620, clear to land runway 07, wind 080 degrees, 9 or not.
07, Cayman 2620.
So 19 or 87, airborne. Back radar 120.8, so long.
Decimal Delta 1987, thanks.
It has been a while since we have seen Cayman Airways making regular stops in Montego Bay, Jamaica. Welcome back, Cayman Airways. Jamaica's shortest international route, just over half an hour.
And 2620 arrived 15, vacate taxiway Bravo, continue Alpha Echo Foxtrot Gate 9er, monitor ground 121.7.
Bravo, Alpha Echo Fox to Gate 9, and we'll monitor ground, Cayman 2620.
So which airline is it that's heading into Montego Bay this early in the morning from Atlanta, deep in Delta territory? Let's listen for the name when they get their landing clearance. But if we are being fair, JetBlue from Orlando usually makes it first most morning.
Line runway 07, wind 080 degrees, 8 knots.
Frontier flight 17.
Frontier 17 arrived, vacate taxiway Alpha 1.
Okay, 1 Frontier flight 17.
Ground 121.7. Good day.
Alright, ground frontier flight 17, yep. American 2852 over you say RNC07.
American 2852 Sangster, Ottawa, continue approach runway 07.
07, American
60 on Quebec Sierra, arrived 45, expedite vacate taxiway Bravo.
Expedite Bravo, 601 Quebec Sierra. JetBlue 1327.
327, turtle line, runway 07, wind 070 degrees, 15 knots.
Hawaii 07, JetBlue 1327.
On Quebec Sierra, continue Alpha 1 discretion to Central.
Alpha 1 to Simple, 601 Quebec Sierra.
The 1327 arrive 47, vacate next right, taxiway Bravo, continue Alpha host right Echo.
Gate right, Alpha, Bravo, Alpha Echo, JetBlue 1327.
2, clear to land runway 07, wind 07 degrees, 14 knots.
Berlin runway 07, American 285. Landing 781, short of runway 07 on Alpha.
781, sensor, tower behind landing, traffic over the lights on way behind.
8 guide landing traffic coming 71.
Arrived 50, vacate next right, taxi Alpha host right Echo.
Vacate next right, taxi Alpha short Echo, American 2852.
781, clear for takeoff runway 07, the wind 060 degrees, 15 knots.
Check clear for takeoff runway 07, landing 70. Tower, good afternoon, Moonflower 573, heavy, fully established, RMP, runway 07.
Moonflower 573, Sangster, Tower, continue approach runway 07.
07, Moonflower 573, heavy.
Moonflower 573, clear to land runway 070 degrees, 13 knots.
Runway 07, Moonflower 573. One Quebec Sierra is with you inside Usain on the RNAV RMP 7.
November 751, Quebec Sierra, approach runway 07.
correction. Blue 1659ers, holding short, runway 07.
JetBlue 1659er, thanks to tower. At point runway 07.
Runway 07, JetBlue 1659.
Floor 573, arrived 01, vacate next right taxiway Alpha, continue taxi Alpha, hold short Echo.
Gateway Alpha, continue taxi Alpha, and Echo Moonflower 573.
73, confirm gate number.
And 573.
573, continue taxi Alpha, Echo.
Echo 19 Moonflower 573.
JetBlue 1659er, clear for takeoff runway 07, the wind 060 degrees, 14 knots.
Clear takeoff runway 07, JetBlue 1659.
Good afternoon, November Juliet, North Aronia, Guadalupe 07.
Juliet, November Juliet, thanks sir. Tower continue to left base runway 07, traffic here following Salve 6 miles final. Is a Charlie Lima 35, arrange to follow.
This is audio traffic, November Juliet.
November 751, Quebec Sierra, thanks to tower. 751 Quebec Sierra, clear to land runway 07, wind 070 degrees, 12 knots.
Runway 7, copy wind 751 Quebec Sierra.
JetBlue 1659, airborne 03, contact radar 120.8.
Contact 120.8, JetBlue 1659, thank you.
November Juliet, traffic no over the lights, proceed to final runway 07.
7 Juliet.
November 751 Quebec Sierra, arrived 07, continue roll, vacate taxiway Bravo, and cross Alpha to the jet center.
Clear here on Bravo, cross Alpha to the jet center, and landing time of 2207, thank you.
Juliet, November Juliet, wind 060 degrees, 14 knots, cleared land runway 07.
7 Juliet.
November 1 Quebec Sierra, monitor ground 121.7. 6 November Juliet, arrived 08, vacate taxiway Delta, cross Alpha to the ramp.
Vacate Delta Alpha to the ramp, November Juliet.
Section 563, inbound for RMP 7.
563, wind 040 degrees at 16 knots, clear to land on 807.
Land runway 7, Section 563.
808 Delta Tango, next to tower, continue to left base, runway 0.
Continue to left base 7, Delta Tango. Blue 1193, 3000 over East End for 07, your address, low speed.
119er, continue to runway 0.
Give me approach 07.
563 arrived 19er, vacate via taxiway Bravo, 1.7.
17 via Bravo, flex jet 563, thank you.